Hi all, welcome to my channel. In this video, let us learn to make a butterfly dangling earring and also to make slight variations to its design. So let's start. To make this earring, you need beading needle, beading thread, seed beads and crystals of your choice. Take 4 crystals and 4 seed beads alternately and tie them together. The next step is to add 3 seed beads to each seed bead of this unit. Pass the needle through the adjacent crystal and the next seed bead. Pick up 3 seed beads and go through the same seed bead. Repeat the same with the other 3 seed beads also. Now sew up through the seed bead and reach the outermost seed bead. Now we are going to bead the next unit. For the next unit, only 3 seed beads are required. This is because one seed bead from the previous unit is shared between the 2 units. Always pull the thread and keep the work tight. Add 3 seed beads to each seed bead of the new unit. Units are formed here. You can either stop at this point or add as many number of units as you desire. Here I am going to bead one more unit. For this, sew up and reach the topmost seed bead. Pick up 4 crystals and 3 seed beads alternately and add this to the seed bead from the previous unit. Here 3 units are beaded. If you decide to make a lengthier earring, add more units at this point. Now bead a loop for inserting the ear hook. I am using 5 seed beads. You can use 5 to 8 seed beads here. You can stop at this point and attach the ear hook, or you can embellish the units. To make it simple, tie a few knots and then cut off the excess thread. For embellishing, sew back towards the crystal unit. I am using crystals to embellish these units. Sew across the unit to attach the crystal. The 3 units are embellished. This is another earring with 4 units and a different embellishment. The differences in the length of the earrings and the embellishments are visible here. This is yet another variation. Here each unit has 5 crystals and the topmost unit has 3 crystals. These are my ideas. You can change the design according to your desire. Please watch part 1 of this video to learn to make rainbow colored seed bead earring. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.